Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete contacts in your Gmail client. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the person icon on the right panel here, where if you hover over it, it says contacts. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select the contact you want to delete, and then select the trash bin icon up at the top that says delete from contacts. It will prompt you if you want to permanently delete this contact. It will be deleted from this account after 30 days. Select move to trash, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.